Today I'd like to walk you through the RSC 18 Cordless Reciprocating Saw. The RSC 18 is on the 18-volt platform from Festool. The handle grip is very ergonomic, putting you in line with the sawing action. And in the operator area I have a variable speed trigger, a lockout function, as well as a high and low range available. On the side we have a multi-position rafter hook. And on the very top we have a variable orbital setting. Inside the reciprocating saw is an anti-vibration mechanism to help reduce the felt vibrations while sawing. On the very end we have a robust shoe. We also have an adjustment point for that shoe to set the depth, and a keyless chuck. Behind this keyless chuck is an LED, so as you're sawing you're able to illuminate the cut area. Lastly, we have a dust extractor adapter that connects to the shoe plate to capture the dust as you're sawing. So the RSC 18 is a dust extractable, robust, and powerful reciprocating saw on our 18-volt platform.